why I rejected to get monetization to my channel. All small YouTubers, they do this problem. Please and please, if you are doing this problem, be very careful. I've did it and I got demonetized to my channel, and YouTube, they rejected my channel. My first channel, I got that miss when I tried to apply monetization. They say, I'm going to show you guys, don't. After that, they say, example of what is not allowed to do on monetization. Short video that you are not complained from other social media websites. Collection of songs from different artists, even if you have their permission. Plenty of moments from your favorite show edited together with little or no narrative. Again, they say content uploaded many times by other creators. Promote of other people content even if you have their permission. That I'm going to show you one by one. So for me, I was thinking like this is something easy, I can just solve myself, but later on I didn't get that permission. Thank you very much guys. Please and please, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe, like and comment, and don't forget to turn on notification bell for more updated video. Guys, if you are new to my channel, go and check my video. I upload all those videos are for ready. You can go and check my last videos. Please and please guys, be very careful. If you are a small YouTuber, all the time be very careful. I'm going to show you one by one why they rejected my monetization. So what they say here, content is not clear and original, creative, or this channel, and many have been repulsed from another sources without adding significant original commentary, substantive modification, or education or entertainment value. So example, you go to your Instagram, you find a short video that is going to interest you. Again, you pick that video, you say like, okay, let me take this video, it's good to me, let me go and just say upload in my channel. You are going to get rejected in time of monetization, because this is what YouTube they send. Second, I'm going to show you again example of what is allowed on monetization. What is allowed on monetization when YouTube they are going to accept your monetization, what they allow and what they don't allow. They say example of what is allowed to monetize. Okay, the things that are going to allow for monetize. A funny or thoughtful version of content that you didn't original creative, if that funny. Okay. Second, they say clip of other people content as part of critical viewers, okay, reviews, okay, as scenes from a movie where you have rewrite the dialogue and change the voice cover, okay, replace or sport tournament where you explain what a competitor did to success or fails, okay, reaction videos where you are comment on the original videos, okay, editing footage from other creator where you add okay, storyline or documentary. So if you are just doing reaction video, for example, I'm doing reaction video, when you are going to take that video from that person and you didn't edit anything, for example, I'm going to show you, if you look this video, so I'm going to show you these videos. Look, this is the channel YouTube they just say reject to give me monetization because of, if you look this video, you see this all videos on here. I was doing this video while I didn't add my voice or my face or anything. Do you see this video? I was just taking this video the way it is and I was being posting to my channel. If you start doing something like this and YouTube they know this, you are not the owner of this content, straight away you are going to get a copyright or you are not going to allow for monetization. So that's what happened to me. Normally when you are going to take a video like this, make sure you change a lot of things. You change the sound or you do some editing. That's why they recommend you. Even if you go and take like a documentary, if you go and take a football, if you go and take like a movie, you have to change that voice and put your voice. And I keep always say, if you go and listen my all live stream, I keep saying that if you are going to do any video from Instagram, change that voice, put your own voice. Don't use the same voice that you pick from Instagram, because YouTube, they will check that video and they know you are not the owner of that video, then later they are going to reject you monetization, or you can get a copyright straight. Okay, the other thing what they say, example of what is not allowed to monetization. This is the thing YouTube, they don't allow at all. If you do all these things, make sure YouTube, they are not going to accept anything. Learn from me and go and try. They say short videos. You see, they say short video that you complain from other social media website, especially like if you go and take video from Instagram, you go and take video from TikTok, you go and take video from Facebook, again with the watermark or something like that. Straight away when YouTube, they realize something like that, you're not going to get monetization. That's the thing, they are not going to allow for monetization. Collection of songs from different artists, even if you have their permission. If even you go permission from that artist, if it's collection content, you are not going to accept. Okay, and the other thing is clip of moment from your favorite show, edited or together with a little of non-narrative. So if you go and take any content that you are not the owner, if it's wedding or this, even if you try to edit it, as long as they know this is not yours, they are not going to accept you to give a monetization. Content uploaded many times by other creator. If that content was being uploaded for different platform and a lot of people, they keep repeating that content, and you are going to bring to your channel, you are not going to get monetization. Again, they say promote of other people content, even if you have their permission. Even if you got permission from those people, YouTube, they are not going to allow you content like that. So what are you going to do to stop that? Make sure all the time when you get a content from any platform that you know, okay, this is not the right video, it's not your, in case you get a video like that and you are not the owner of that video and you don't have that right, please edit that video, take off that sound, try to change something, try to add something. Then on that way, YouTube, they are not going to stop your monetization. But if you didn't do all those things, 100% you are going to get rejected from monetization, and YouTube, they are not going to allow you one piece of monetization from your video, and that time you are going to lose everything from your YouTube channel. So don't lose your YouTube channel. Make sure all the time when you're going to take a video from Instagram, from TikTok, from Snapchat, from where, any web platform you are going to take video and you are going to bring to YouTube, change the sound, try to edit it, try your best, whatever you can change on that video, change. As long as you are not the owner, try to create, to add your voice, to add little bit your face some places, try to add different things. Then on that time, YouTube, they are not going to stop. But if you stick with only you take the video from Instagram straight away to your YouTube channel, tomorrow when you're going to get monetization, YouTube, they are going to reject your monetization the way I get rejected to my channel. Thank you very much, guys. Please if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, like and comment, and don't forget to turn on notification bell for more updated video. Thank you very much, guys. See you next video.